Do you have a worn out piece of coated cookware at home? Well, how about I help you get into a new pan that'll last you forever and help you recycle that old pan the right way. Hi, I'm Jed. This is Cook Culture. So recycling your old beat up nonstick cookware isn't quite as simple as you may have thought. If you use the local municipality, throw it in the blue bin or whatever it is that you put to the curb to take your recycling away, and you put your old nonstick pan in there, there's a very high probability that it's not going to get recycled and it will end up in the garbage. The reason for this is that the pans are not just one piece. It's not like a piece of cast iron. They are a body with a nonstick coating, a handle, a collar, a bolt. So there's lots of different things going on there, and when it shows up in certain recycling facilities, they're just like, well, this is a complex piece, garbage, right? They don't have the manpower or the knowledge or the skill to take it apart. So there are recyclers in almost every city around North America that will recycle a piece like that. You just need to find who they are. So in our area, in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, there is Davis Trading. They do this for us. In Victoria, British Columbia, where we also have another retail store, Ellis Recycling is the business that does this for us. So they will take it all apart and recycle all the pieces. There's a lot of money to be made out of the raw aluminum in the pans, so it's worth their while. You just need to get it to the right place. Each year, we have this trade-in program where we try to coerce people into recycling their old cookware. And the way we do this is that we offer a really healthy discount on a lot of really good quality cookware. So up to 30%, some cookware comes with some really awesome freebies, but you're gonna get a great deal whatever it is. And all you need to do is do a pledge online. So make a social media pledge online that says, hey, I'm getting rid of my nonstick cookware for the last time and buying cookware that's gonna last me forever. Tag in Cook Culture. Put a link to our website that's going to help your friends and family learn more about how they can do the same thing and get the same sort of discount. And then you fill in on the bottom of this video, there's a Google link. You fill in a form, follow that Google link, simple little quick form. We will then fire you a discount for the cookware that you want. And there you go. You'll have a brand new discounted piece of high quality, lifelong cookware arrive for your forever use. So I hope this program works for you. I hope you can help us share it with your friends and family and get the word out there. And if you have any questions, as always, please throw them below. And thanks so much for all your support.